Hello guys, and in this video I'm gonna show you how to manage activities on your Garmin Enduro 2 watch. So let's get started. Firstly, to open list of the activities, we just need to click this start button on the right side on the top of the watch. So let's do it. And now you can choose between these activities, or you can see more if you just scroll down and click on the ads. And then choose any activity from the list of available ones. So let me choose for now, for example, walk. Let's click it. And now to start this activity, just click the start button once. Great. And to stop it, click it one more time. Just like this. And now you will be able to see several options. Let's scroll through them with the help of this down button or with the help of this up button. Let me show you. Great. And what does it mean? This resume option is if you, for example, accidentally stopped training and want to continue it right now. Just click it, confirm by clicking this start button. Now, this save one. It is to save the activity and to look through its details. And this resume later is if you need to stop the activity and just go back to it later. This lap one, which is when you wanna decline the lap or this training stage. Great, now let's move on to the next one. Now back to start. It is to return to the starting point along the same path you traveled. This function works only with GPS. Let's click it. And you can see two options here, track back and back to start. So let's move on to the list. And now we can see recovery HR. It is to measure how quickly your heart rate returns to normal after the activity. Select this option and wait for the countdown to complete. And now you can also discard this training if you want to delete an activity. And a little tip for you, if you do not have time to delete an activity, it will be saved automatically 30 minutes after you stop the activity. And that's all for now. I hope this video was useful for you, and thank you so much for watching.